All right. This is my return for my AC, my heat. Brand new filter. It's nice. Not exactly sure what's going on in here. Oh, okay. Well, that's fascinating. We have ice in the heat. This is the new heat. Wow. This is so interesting. Let's see if we can get up under there. See what's going on. Alright, so apparently this old air handler is frozen. Not exactly sure what's happening here. The heat does not function very well. In order to get the heat to work, we have to set the thermostat on AC and turn the temperature way down, which we just did, which is now being turned off because apparently the unit froze and is now leaking everywhere.